Hello. We have to find out the value of this function sine inverse minus root 3 by 2 and another question sine inverse sine pi by 3. We have to find out this value. If we talk about this question sine inverse minus root 3 by 2. We know the domain this function sine inverse x has domain minus 1 to 1 and range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then we can what is the value of minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 means sine minus pi by 3. Okay, value of minus root 3 by 2 is sine minus pi by 3. Sine cancel out minus pi by 3 is the answer. So we can say now this answer lies between the minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is the right answer. If we talk about this question, sine inverse sine pi by 3. So solution of this question, sine inverse sine pi by 3. Sine inverse sine pi by 3. We cannot cut this one and write down the pi by 3. Why? Because pi by 3. If we talk about pi by 3, pi into 180 upon 3, 300. Okay, 300 degree. Okay, this means 300 degree. But we know the range of this function, sine inverse function, is lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so we have to write about this. So we can use the property of trigonometry. In this quadrant, sine is a positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So we can write in this function sine 2 pi minus pi upon 3. Sine and fourth also sine is positive. Sine 2 pi minus theta. Uh, this is lie between the second quadrant. Okay, second. Oh, sorry. Third quadrant, not second quadrant. 2 pi minus 300. First quadrant 0 to 90 and 90 to 180 second quadrant and 90 to 270 third quadrant and 270 to 360 is the fourth quadrant. Okay, so sine 2 pi minus you can write in this sine 2 pi minus theta equal to what? Sine 2 pi minus theta equal to what? Sine theta. Sine inverse sine 2 pi minus theta equal to sine theta. Sine Sine cancel out pi by 3 is the correct answer. So we can say now pi by 3 is the correct answer because it lies minus pi by 2 to pi by. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Hmm. Now we will solve hmm, this question. Question is 2 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 6. How many solutions are these questions? Okay, so 2 cos inverse x plus sin is equal to 11 pi by 6. Question is 2 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to 11 pi by 6. We have to find out how many solutions. Solution we have to how many solutions. We know the property of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Similarly, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. And tan inverse x plus cot inverse equal to pi by 2. So we can right now we can split cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to 11 pi by 6. We know the property of cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. So we can write cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse equal to what? Pi by 2 equal to 11 pi by 6. Transfer determinant right hand side. Cos inverse x equal to 11 pi by 6 minus pi by 2. Take the LCM 6 11 pi minus 3 pi 8 pi 1 6 2 to the 4 2 to the 3 cos inverse x equal to 4 pi upon 3. But we know that the domain of the cos inverse x equal to minus 1 to 1, and range of this function it lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but it exceed value. So we can say now this function has no solution. This function has no solution. Okay, I hope you are getting well. So now we will proceed next question. Question number next question. Sin inverse x plus sin y equal to 2 by 3. Find the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Let us find out. Question is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi by 3. We have to find out the cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Then find the value cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. We take left hand side LHS. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi 1 3. We know the identity of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So we can write cos inverse x or sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Put this value in this, okay, at the place of sin inverse x. So we can write at the place of sin inverse x pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Similarly, at the place of sin inverse y equal to sin inverse y equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse y. We can write pi by 2 minus cos inverse y equal to 2 pi upon 3. Pi by 2 means pi, okay. Uh, and we take common, minus is common, it will be cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to 2 pi by 3. Transfer this term in right hand side of this. after solving pi minus 2.3 cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. The final answer is cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to 3 pi minus pi by 3 is the right answer. I hope you are getting that. Okay. Let guys, if sine inverse x plus cot inverse 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2, then find the value of x. This question asked in 99 IT Roorkee. So we have to solve this question. How to solve? Yes. Using the identity, we can use the identity cot inverse a equal to tan inverse 1 upon a. We can use this identity. So we can say now sine inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse 1 by 2. We know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So we can say now pi by 2 minus cot inverse 1 by 2 equal to tan inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x equal to this tan inverse 1 by 2. So you can say now x equal to sine tan inverse 1 by 2. If we take a triangle, right angle triangle, perpendicular upon base. So hypotenuse is what? If we talk about tan inverse 1 by 2 equal to theta. So tan theta equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we have to find the sine theta. Okay, sine theta. Let's consider tan is 1 by 2 equal to theta. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. This angle is theta. It will be hypotenuse means root 5. Okay. And what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? 1 upon root 5. So you can say now s equal to 1 upon root 5. I hope you are getting it. I hope all concept and theory with numerical is clear. Okay, thank you so much.